Following 3 days of no trading, Samsung Electronics has returned to South Korea's main bourse, the benchmark KOSPI. This after the Korean tech giant's decision back in January to do a stock split. The company's shares are seeing a high trading volume, as you'd expect, but are down quite a bit, trading at 52,200 Korean won. That's about $48.5 this as of around 11:40 this morning. Our Cha Sang-mi reports from the Korea Exchange.
It's day one of Samsung Electronics shares being back on the market after the company split its stock 50-1. Analysts and investors alike are watching the share price closely to see how the market reacts to the stock split. Korea's tech giant announced a 50-1 stock split in January, saying the decision would make investing in the company more accessible and provide dividends to a wider range of investors. Analysts say the stock split doesn't change the valuation of the shares, but it will draw more individual investors because psychologically the stock looks cheaper. Yet there are different viewpoints on the impact that comes with it. Some analysts say Samsung's move will drive the stock price to re-rate the Korean stock market, given the fact that local investors will be much easier to access Samsung shares, which take up over 30% of Korea's stock exchange.
One share is almost 2,500 per share, which is an income, monthly income for a retail investor. So it's very difficult to approach the stock. So stock split will make a lot of local investors to be more in tune to invest into Samsung.
Yet some economists say while it's almost no-brainer that for the next few days Samsung stock prices will shoot up, the impact is rather worrisome for the nation's stock market in the long run.
As the Samsung prices goes up and take a bigger share of the Korean stock market, that means the 30 to 40% of Korean stock market will be controlled by just one firm. So whenever Samsung has a bad turn, it'll make the entire Korean stock market unattractive.
The economist warned Samsung Electronics' strategy could possibly distort the market and allow one firm to wield too much influence over the entire market. Cha Sang-mi, Arirang News.